Hello guys, today we will discuss about history and facts about India. Okay guys, according to the conscious and modern porcinic genetics automatically modern human first arrived on the Indian subcontinent from Africa between 73,000 and 55,000 years ago. However, the earliest known human remains in South Asia date to 30,000 years ago. Sedentariness, which involved the transition from aging to farming and pastoralism, began in South Asia around 7000 BC. The Indian subcontinent, the great landmass of South Asia, is the home of one of the world's oldest and most influential civilizations. In this article, the subcontinent, which for historical purposes is usually called simply India, is understood to comprise the areas of not only the present-day Republic of India, free from British rule since August 15, 1947, celebrated as the country Independence Day, but also the republics of Pakistan, partitioned from India in 1947, and Bangladesh, which formed the eastern part of Pakistan until its independence in 1971. From the histories of these latter two countries since their creation, see Pakistan and Bangladesh. Since early times, the Indian subcontinent appears to have provided an attractive habitat for human occupation. Toward the south, it is effectively sheltered by wide expanses of oceans, which tended to isolate it culturally in ancient times, while to the north it is protected by the massive range of Himalaya, which also shelter it from the Arctic wind and in the ear of currents, currents of Central Asia. Only in the northwest and the northeast as there easier access by land and it was through those two sectors that most of the early contacts with outside world took place. Within the framework of hills and mountains represented by the Indo-Iranian borderlands on west, the Indo-Myanmar borderland in the east, and the Himalayas to the north, the subcontinent may, in the broadest terms, be divided into two major divisions. In the north, the basins of Indus and Ganga rivers, the Indo-Gangetic plain, and the south, the block of Archean rocks that form the Deccan Plateau region. The expansive alluvial plain of the rivers basins provided the environment and focus for the rise of two great phases of the city life. The civilization of the Indus Valley, known as the Indus civilization. The northern part of the India represents a series of contrasting regions, each with its own distinctive culture, history, and its own distinctive population. In the northwest, the villages of Balochistan upland, now largely in Balochistan, Pakistan, are low rainfall area producing mainly wheat and barley and having a low density of population. Its residents, mainly tribal people, are in many respects closely akin to their Iranian neighbors. The adjacent Indus Plain are also an area of extremely low rainfall, but the annual flooding of the river in ancient times and the exploitation of its water by the canal irrigation in the modern period have enhanced agricultural productivity and the population has correspondingly better than their counterparts, Wisdom.